Ladies, it's not our fault. It's our hormones and high heels is the all-new radio show where wellness meets fashion. Fashion's power to influence and inspire is a hot topic in wellness circles. This creative collaboration between these powerful industries will premiere every Saturday afternoon between 3 and 4 p.m. on AM 970 The Answer, starting in October. Radio talk show hosts Julie Sagoskin, Jackie Justice, and Elisa Avellino, all leading experts in their respective wellness and fashion industries, will be engaging thousands of women with the most stimulating, provocative, and controversial discussions on wellness and fashion, as well as other lifestyle topics that contribute to our overall sense of well-being. The confluence of fashion and wellness, complementary industries in striking ways, will be creatively explored during the first ever Wellness Meets Fashion radio talk show. Ladies, it's not our fault. It's our hormones and high heels.
Fashion holds a unique place in our culture and has the power to motivate and inspire change. Absolutely everything we do affects our health and wellness. That means everything we wear and how we wear it can affect not only our physical well-being, but also, and most importantly, our mental wellness.
Combining Julie's creative fashion talents and insider perspective of the fashion industry, Jackie's nutritional and medical knowledge, and my own extraordinary understanding of how the female body functions will create a truly unique and in-depth dialogue between us and our listening audience.
So in the same way that we are what we eat, what we wear also makes a major impact on our wellness, especially in respect to our energy and mindset. So it's a natural that blending fashion and wellness can only serve to inspire and empower the wearer to live a healthier life. And I really believe our discussions on how wellness impacts fashion and vice versa will have a pivotal influence on all women tuning in.